High up in the Himalayas, where the air is thin and the mountains are huge and covered in snow, there are whispers of a mysterious creature. This is the land of the Yeti. For a very long time, people of the mountains, called Sherpas, have told stories about the Yeti. They say it's big, looks like an ape and is covered in hair. It walks in the high mountain passes, leaving giant footprints in the snow. The Yeti isn't just a scary story, it's part of the Sherpa culture. They believe the Yeti protects the mountains, a powerful spirit they respect and fear. Some say it represents the wildness of nature, a reminder that some places are still untouched by humans. These stories, told for many years, have made people all over the world curious about the Yeti. Could there really be a creature hiding in the mountains? The mystery of the Yeti has brought explorers to the Himalayas. They want to find proof that the Yeti exists. One famous explorer, Sir Edmund Hillary, the first man to climb Mount Everest, also searched for the Yeti. In 1953, Hillary's team found large, strange footprints. They collected hair and listened to local stories, making the Yeti legend even more exciting. Other explorers followed, each with their own stories of seeing the Yeti. Some brought back footprint molds, others brought hair or strange objects they said belonged to the Yeti. The stories are interesting, but there's no real proof. The Himalayas are dangerous and finding the Yeti is difficult. Evidence can get lost in the snow or be hard to prove real. While explorers searched the mountains, scientists looked at the Yeti mystery differently. They studied the evidence, trying to separate fact from fiction. They looked at hair samples thought to be from the Yeti. They studied footprints, comparing their size and shape to animals we know. Some scientists think the Yeti might be a type of ancient ape that still lives, like the Gigantopithecus. This giant ape, which we know about from old bones, used to live in Asia. Could it still be alive, hiding in the Himalayas? Others think people might be mistaking bears for the Yeti, or maybe it's just tricks of the light in the snow. While some hair samples have been from normal animals, others are still a mystery. Scientists haven't given up. They're still looking for answers, using new technology to solve the mystery of the Yeti. So, is the Yeti real? We still don't know for sure. Even after many years of searching, we don't have clear proof. The evidence we do have can be explained in different ways, which gives us more questions than answers. Maybe the Yeti is a real creature, an animal from a long time ago that has survived. Or maybe it's just a story, a legend. Just because we don't have proof doesn't mean the Yeti isn't real. It just means the mystery continues. The Himalayas are still a mysterious place. Until we have real proof, the Yeti will keep us wondering, a symbol of the wild and unknown parts of our world. Maybe one day we'll finally have the answer.